Thina lezi iy'ntwana ezintsha-ke ngiyababona omagoqa abadala o-Pepe ogwana like
To tell the
iy'nkomo
truth,
leli
to tell the truth, mangizwa abakephi kahle.
baselamona
Yeah. For some weird reason, I thought ilokishi claims
Hayi bo kanjani manje lokishi
iqomo laseClermont lelo lek
Row 6
Oh, Pepe ukwape too.
leli laseLamont isigubhu
To tell the truth, badansisa
ya badansisa kodwa
mangidlala ingoma zabo kwama-sets or ama-DJ mixes, people respond perfectly. Mangidlala omagoqa esikhathini I'm not saying they're dissing, but isikhathi esiningi abayi-understand the sound until you find a certain community elalela lelo ngoma. Kodwa uma ufuna ukubadansisa mfethu, Pepe Nkwa is the best. Like i-production yabo mfethu.
Nalabafana abasha labo uBoys Koketepe.
Dog, that nigga is not new, dog.
Awutshele go-boy sithini go-boy mfethu ihype engaka mfethu
manje ihype engaka
I feel like uma-produce uphuma kwi-group ushaya kakhulu
because bahlukana nalo mjito we-West Behavior
khona uyahamba
so engaproduce kodwa uPax
wengaproduce
that's
the thing
mbona
produce uyashesha ukusala dog ngoba iyahlukana i-group
banokuthi mina nawe ngiwuproduce
yeah
wena unzima uku-DJ
wena ulandela mina kodwa masisimele skip ingoma
wena oblandi
sure
I think that's what happened to Boy
angazi noma uPax wayedansa yini enzima ukudansa yini
kodwa West Behavior was coming good dog I like that too
even with them boys now it's the same thing Stingray Too Blind ngenamba angazi lo munye umjida lo mpofu
kuthiwa masebehlukana uzobona umehluko
uStingray vele babedansa bobawu2 kodwa uStingray uyena ongasho ukuthi uthela inamba kakhulu yirem boys
yeah na masebehlukana uzobona umehluko
yini ngalento yokuhlukana kwama-group bafethu nama-rota ayenzile lento i-Black Motion yayenza lento ne-Distraction Boys but iyabuyelana Distraction Boys
Distraction Boys ngiyawuphina babone bo2 babuye bahlukane futhi like i-gameplay yabo is way smarter I think
it's working for them
yeah it's working for them
indaba lama-artist engasebenzi bo